y'all back again, another video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Amazon KDP. Amazon KDP is something that I use. I'm actually a self-published author, first-time author. I have a book called Jesus Christ Rose Raw Ink from the Dead. So if you guys want to check out my story, check out the link in the descriptions. You can get it on Amazon. I'm basically telling you like about my rap stories and basically what I went through in the rap. So if you guys don't know, I have a first page is my artist page is Raw Ink. If you guys want to check out my music, definitely check out my artist page. But in this video, I'm going to be motivating y'all, hopefully for y'all can start writing your first book and be a self-publisher or author in 2023, y'all. So if you guys like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, y'all. So let's get right into it, y'all. So Amazon KDP, y'all. What is Amazon KDP? So Amazon KDP is basically a self-publishing thing. So it's basically you write a book and you put it on Amazon, and Amazon will let it live on their platform for free, but you actually make money from people that are on Amazon buying stuff. So it's a win-win situation. All you got to do is create, you know what I mean? So whatever you'll create, like your create activities or whatever your abilities are, you put it on the Amazon platform and you get paid for it, you know what I'm saying? So check this out. Say if you want to write a book, you can write a book telling stories. You can write a book about cooking. You can write a book about sports. There's so many different topics. You can write a book. You can make journals. You can make color books. You can make so much stuff on Amazon. It's definitely a good thing. It's a win-win. So why not start today, right? So what are the things you're gonna need from starting? One, you're gonna need to sign up for Amazon KDP, and two, you're gonna need a book, right? So what is the necessary things you need for a book? So let's get to number one, y'all. So number one, you're gonna need a book cover. I like to have a book cover before I even start writing, just because it gives me motivation that I have to finish the task. So sometimes I'll come up with titles and stuff that I really want to actually put out for the world, and you know, I'll get the good book cover and I'll just start writing. And it just forces me to finish the book, right? So that way I stay motivated. I know I have the book cover. I know I have to finish this book. So a book cover, you want to hire somebody professionally done. I know a lot of people said you can use Canva. You can definitely use Canva if you guys are artistic yourself. You want to try it out yourself, you can try Canva. Or you can hire somebody like a freelancer, and you can go on a website like Fiverr. So if you guys, Fiverr is definitely a key thing from really just, you know, paying somebody to do the work, and you know what I'm saying, you have a good quality book. So go on Fiverr, get you somebody that professionally do it for like 30-40 bucks and put it out for the world and have a good cover, right? You want to stand out, right? So the third thing, because I put Fiverr, the third thing you're gonna need is you're gonna need a manuscript, y'all. So a manuscript is basically something like the documents, whatever you're putting on paper. So if you got it on paper, you got to put it on your digital form as a computer. So for me, I try Google Docs. So if you want to start off, you could try Google. Google Documents will allow you to place your thoughts on their thing for free. Everybody has it on their phone. You type it in, or if you got a MacBook or a computer, you can type it in, your thoughts, and then you could go right back on Fiverr and have somebody professionally edit better and just make it a good, just make it a little like way more tightened. So if you Google Docs is still good, but you want to make sure it's professional. So hire somebody to edit it and actually put it out, because when you go on Amazon, you're gonna see, like, they're gonna see the cover, and it's like anything in food or any menu, you just look at the cover and you like, oh, I want that. So you want to make sure your cover stands out where people's like, I want that book. So when they look in, they see, they're going to be able to see inside just for the free sample. You want to make sure you have a nice, clean inside and out, you know, book. So before they actually hit purchase, they know what they're purchasing, right? So just make sure you have a good, clean book, right? So what's another thing? Once you have the book, you have the book cover, you have the manuscript, you can start uploading on there, and you're going to need a title for your book. Of course, you already know that, but after you do that, you want to know about how you're going to get paid off this, right? So basically, you'll sign up, you put the tax forms, and you basically put your bank account, and Amazon will make money off Amazon off your royalties. So let's talk about the royalty split. So the royalty is basically from 70% and 35%. Now the 70% right here, say you got 70%. In order to get 70%, your book has to go from $9.99 to about $10. So in order to get from 35%, you would be from $99 to $200. So you could choose however price you want to do it. For 70%, say let's for example, say if you paid $9 for your if you put it for $9, you'll get about $6 profit. You'll get a $6 profit for every book you sell at $9. Now vice versa, say if you got your book, you want to say you got a high quality book, right? You sell it for $100, you get about $35 profit for the 35%. So you sell that the $35 one, and you know what I'm saying, it might not be a lot of sales, but you gotta think that's somebody buying it over a course of a year. It can add up if you're promoting advertising. So that's the main thing, is advertising. Let's get right into that advertising side. So advertisement, excuse my handwriting, it's a little sloppy, y'all, but advertising, y'all. How can you start advertising? You guys know you can use the social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, stuff like that, TikTok. But the best way to really advertise is actually having a website, having an email list. An email list is definitely way more important than each platform, because those platforms, YouTube could be gone today, Instagram could be gone, and if you ain't got an email list, you ain't gonna know how to really get to people, the customers, or people who really love what you do. So get an email list and blast your email list to people that really want to support you. And then when you blast the email list, save the book, and when you first launch it for at least for the first 2 to 3 days, launch it for free. That way people can get the book, and then all you got to do is simply ask people, just like genuine, like say, hey man, I appreciate you getting a book, I got it for free, or I ask in return, just leave a review or something like that. Just leave a review, and then people will just leave a review. And then, you know what I'm saying, you'll start ranking on Amazon, and then Amazon will start pushing it to the customers, like on the platform, and that's how you can get more sales, right? And you can always try Amazon ads. If you guys really serious about your book, if you really believe your book is really good, try Amazon ads, and that'll probably increase your sales. So these are the main things I use from my book right here. If you guys like this video, subscribe, check the drop a comment, make sure you check out my book too. Links in the description if you want to check out my book. And y'all, I appreciate everyone who's been watching these videos. I got way more gems on the way, and I hope you guys are writing your book in 2023, y'all. Peace. I'll catch you on my next one, y'all.